assumed she was just asleep. And when the driver tried to wake her, it was too late. There was nothing anyone could do. I'm sorry. She was at the sitting room. No one claimed her. No identification. She was there too long. They cremated her. These are her remains.
I put them in this urn. I'm gonna go and pack up her things and you're welcome to come by and get them.
I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize.
Just come by the church.
This is the molasses.
You take care of her. Yes, of course. How you doing, man?
Sharing it with me. I'm not the person you should have.
You want some comfort?
Not the person you should have.
It ain't no way for the lady to die. I didn't get a chance to say goodbye.
Bessie is getting help and she doesn't know about it. Someone's gonna get beats my behind.
My sister is so strung out. She's schooled those kids up. She traded Jennifer for crack one time when she was 9.